Hey there, I'm Gabe. Thanks so much for stopping by Manly Bands to check out some of our fantastic products. I happen to have one right here inside of this beautiful box that we like to call the Jetstream. It's a pretty slick name, isn't it? Inside of our pretty slick box as well. Boom, Manly Bands inside. We have our welcoming card telling you that you are just fantastic and handsome for joining the Manly Bands movement. There's customer service information in there if you have any questions, concerns, or life issues about your product. Other life issues, go to somebody else. And social media links. Look at that, hieroglyphics about how social media works, because it's, guys, it can get pretty complicated. Inside there we have the Jetstream. The Jetstream is one of our carbon fiber bands. It comes in at 8 millimeters. It's got a little bit more of a thick diameter on the edge, as you could say, and it has a kind of it's got that classic carbon fiber pattern, kind of that woven kind of a deal. Carbon fiber, interesting fact, been around since about 1860, 1800s. Thomas Edison used it in light bulbs, so that's pretty sweet. Inside also, we have our black silicone band, so you can get one of those with every one of your ring purchases, along with some special promotional offers as those become available. Good stuff in there, things that we like, things that you'll like. Thank you for stopping by manlybands.com and checking out the Jetstream.